on in Hunar Haat.
Good. You
And
like
today
it?
we are
What are you going to say today?
today we are going to share how and why do we cough.
Wow.
It's whole form of the yoga, dude.
Oh. So?
So let us understand why do we cough. Firstly, coughing is a body's our protective mechanism to remove dust, pollutants, germs, pollens, etc. Now let's see how do we cough. Now, when anything is irritating the breathing passage, our brain does the cough response. Yes. Then we inhale a large volume of air. Then, secondly, the esophagus closes the windpipe, blocking the breathing passage. Then the rib and abdominal muscles contract. Then the inhaled air will never exhale out.
Oh, right.
So finally the esophagus opens the windpipe. Thus the air forcefully rushes out, thus producing a cough.
Right. Done? Very good.